Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to target more profitable and relevant YouTube keywords using vidIQ. This tool can help you find the right keywords to increase your video views and grow your channel. So now let's get started. First, you need to make sure you have vidIQ installed as a browser extension. Once installed, open YouTube and sign into your account. You will see vidIQ's tools on the right side of your screen. Next, type your video topic into the YouTube search bar. vidIQ will automatically display data related to your search, including keyword, volume, competition, and overall score. Next, focus on keywords with high vidIQ score. This score is a combination of search volume and competition. The higher the score, the more profitable and relevant the keyword is for your video. Use vidIQ's related keywords section to find additional keywords that are relevant to your topic. These keywords can help you expand your reach by targeting different variations of your main keyword. After that, incorporate these high-scoring keywords into your video title, description, and tags. This will optimize your video for better search visibility and attract a more relevant audience. And that's how you target more profitable and relevant YouTube keywords using vidIQ. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe.